Being a speaker at Universe is so much fun. This is an incredibly warm and receptive audience. Everyone's here because they're super passionate about development. Every Universe reminds me how special this community is.
Anybody can do it because everybody has good ideas that the rest of us want to hear about.
There's a reason why it's called Universe. There's really anything you could talk about.
You are speaking to an audience that is the open source community. They are open, they are listening, and this is really people that you can convince to explore things, to try things, to change things.
The organization behind this entire event is like insane. I had like multiple people being able to help me at any point.
English is not my native language, so getting speaker coaches, doing the rehearsals, it was really helpful to get this to a place where you can go on stage and just talk because you're confident at least that all of that is already in there.
Everyone, no matter their skill level, can make it their own.
They make it easy. It's very comfortable. Everybody knows what they're doing. I had a one-on-one session with someone who let me go through and practice that intro and that ending and gave me some advice for anxiety because I have it.
This is the first time I'm doing like a session where you give some highlight on the talk and then you engage people. I really liked that session because then I gave feedback on the program that I was building.
If you're thinking about speaking at GitHub Universe, honestly, just give it a shot. GitHub gave me a chance to be able to share my perspective with the world.
So GitHub Universe, are you ready to see what we've got for you?
The feeling of walking up on stage was just really, really exciting. It's like the world stopped for like 2 seconds. It was just like me and like what I had to say.
It's just so special because there's this moment before you step on stage, you look out at the sea of faces, people are so eager to hear about what we're shipping and what we're doing.
Good morning. It's so great to be here with all of you.
And it is a dopamine hit that you carry with you for weeks afterwards.